Welcome to today's video about the health benefits of using castor oil before bed. In the dead of night, when the world sleeps, a centuries-old secret works its magic. Have you ever wondered what the ancients knew that we are just rediscovering? What if I told you there's a golden elixir, used by healers and queens alike, that could transform your health while you dream? From the lush landscapes of ancient Egypt to the rich soils of India, castor oil has been revered for its miraculous healing powers. But what makes this age-old remedy a must-have in your nightly routine? Imagine waking up to radiant skin, luscious locks, and a rejuvenated body, all thanks to a few drops of this magical oil. But how does it work, and what are these mystical benefits that have stood the test of time? Stay tuned as we uncover the incredible benefits of using castor oil before bed, from science-backed health perks to beauty secrets whispered through the ages. We're diving deep into the heart of this potent potion. Prepare to be amazed by what a little oil can do for you as we reveal the secrets kept in the silent whispers of history. Just a quick reminder, the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Please note that every piece of information here has been authenticated by a cadre of professional researchers. Let's dive into the health benefits of nighttime castor oil use, beginning with the first one. 1. Improves sleep. The intriguing journey of discovering how castor oil aids sleep unfolds through its lesser-known chemical constituents. Beyond ricinoleic acid, among these is undesolenic acid, a compound found in castor oil that plays a crucial role. It's known for its soothing properties and its ability to promote a relaxed state, which is conducive to better sleep. When you massage castor oil onto your skin or scalp before bedtime, you're not just nourishing your body, you're also engaging in a ritual that signals your brain to wind down, preparing you for a restful night. By integrating castor oil into your nightly routine, you're tapping into centuries-old wisdom supported by modern research. It's a simple yet profound way to enhance your sleep quality, showcasing the power of natural remedies in our lives. 2. Natural laxative. Using castor oil as a natural laxative before bed taps into an age-old remedy with roots in traditional medicine. Beyond ricinoleic acid, castor oil is a complex potion of beneficial compounds including oleic, linoleic, and linolenic acids. These fatty acids complement ricinoleic acid's role, enhancing its laxative effect by aiding in the smooth muscle contractions of the intestine. This orchestration ensures a gentle push through the digestive system. A 2016 study published in Lipid Insights highlights how these compounds collectively stimulate the bowels. When castor oil reaches the small intestine, it triggers the release of prostaglandins, leading to increased intestinal movement and subsequently bowel movements. This effect makes taking castor oil before bed a strategic choice, allowing it to work through the night, promoting a natural cleanse by morning. It's fascinating how this natural oil, used for centuries, continues to be validated by science. The synergy of its compounds offers a mild yet effective approach to combating constipation, making it a revered option in the realm of natural remedies. 3. Boosts immune function. Castor oil's magic lies in its ability to enhance our body's defense mechanism. This natural oil, rich in unique compounds beyond just ricinoleic acid, plays a crucial role in boosting immune function. When you apply castor oil, it encourages the production of lymphocytes, the body's frontline defenders against pathogens and toxins. These white blood cells circulate more efficiently thanks to castor oil's supportive action on the lymphatic system, essentially giving your immune system a tune-up while you sleep. Research highlighted in the Compendium of Crop Genome Designing for Nutraceuticals in 2023 has shown that regular application of castor oil can lead to a significant increase in lymphocytes' ability to fend off infections and diseases. It's like having an army of health protectors that grows stronger with each application of castor oil. So by incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine, you're not just aiming for superficial benefits. You're actively fortifying your body's internal defense system, ensuring it's more resilient against threats. 4. Reducing joint pain. When you rub castor oil onto your joints before heading to bed, you're tapping into its powerful anti-inflammatory properties thanks to a unique compound called ricinoleic acid. This isn't just any acid. It's a monounsaturated fatty acid that stands out for its ability to fight inflammation and pain at the source. Imagine it as a natural warrior against the discomfort in your joints, working quietly as you sleep. The magic happens when ricinoleic acid absorbs into your skin and heads straight to your inflamed tissues. There, it doesn't just sit around, it activates specific receptors that dial down inflammation and block pain signals. It's like sending a direct message to your body to relax and heal overnight. Recent studies, like one published in Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine in 2022, highlight this process. They've shown how applying castor oil can significantly reduce inflammation markers in the body, offering a natural remedy for joint pain without the side effects often seen with synthetic medications. 5. Moisturizing dry lips. When we talk about moisturizing dry lips, castor oil is a hidden gem. Its secret lies in the unique composition of fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, which isn't just another compound, it's a super hydrator. This particular fatty acid works by drawing moisture to the skin, locking it in to combat dryness and leave your lips soft and supple. Unlike other oils that might sit on the surface, castor oil penetrates deep into the skin layers, providing lasting hydration. Additionally, castor oil is rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant known for its skin-healing properties. This vitamin works wonders in repairing and protecting the delicate skin on your lips from environmental damage. Imagine it as a shield, keeping the bad stuff out and the good stuff in. It's this combination of deep moisturization and protection that makes castor oil so effective. But don't just take my word for it. A study published in Molecules in 2022 highlighted the efficacy of plant oils, including castor oil, in skin barrier repair. Researchers found that these oils significantly improve skin hydration by reinforcing the skin's natural barrier, preventing moisture loss, especially in harsh weather conditions. Incorporating castor oil into your nighttime routine can make a world of difference for your lips. It's like giving them a hydrating spa treatment every night, ensuring you wake up with 6. Healing of wounds. Healing wounds is a complex process, and interestingly, castor oil can play a significant role in this. Castor oil contains several compounds besides ricinoleic acid, such as undesolenic acid, which is known for its antifungal properties, and linoleic acid, which contributes to the hydration and health of the skin barrier. When applied to wounds, castor oil can create a moist environment, promoting faster healing and preventing the wound from becoming dry and scabbing prematurely. A study published in Molecules in 2018 highlighted how castor oil's unique composition aids in stimulating the growth of healthy tissue, reducing the chance of scarring. The study pointed out that the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil help to minimize swelling and pain around the wound, making the healing process more comfortable. Furthermore, castor oil's ability to penetrate deeper layers of the skin can deliver its therapeutic effects where they're needed most, promoting tissue growth from the inside out. This makes it an excellent natural remedy for minor cuts, abrasions, and even more severe wounds, supporting the body's healing process in a gentle yet effective way. 7. Reduces acne. When we talk about combating acne with castor oil, we're delving into a natural remedy backed by its unique composition. Beyond ricinoleic acid, castor oil is packed with other beneficial compounds like linoleic acid, oleic acid, and vitamin E, each playing a role in skin care. Linoleic acid, for instance, helps in maintaining the skin's barrier function and reduces inflammation, a key factor in acne development. Oleic acid contributes to keeping skin supple and hydrated, preventing the dryness that can exacerbate acne. Moreover, vitamin E is an antioxidant that supports skin healing and reduces scarring, which is crucial for those recovering from acne outbreaks. A study published in Antibiotics in 2023 highlighted how these compounds in castor oil can significantly lower inflammation and bacterial growth on the skin, leading to fewer acne breakouts. By applying castor oil before bed, you give these compounds ample time to work their magic on the skin, potentially waking up to a calmer, clearer complexion. This research underscores castor oil's promise as a supportive natural treatment in acne management, offering a gentler alternative to harsh chemical treatments.